Hey, what is going on today, fam? So we are back again today, and we are back working on the Hyundai Elantra N, codename Project Giant Slayer. And today we are going to be adding another mod to help us with our quest for greatness with this build right here. So today we are going to be installing a Evilla Motorsports strut bar right here. Really hype on this little piece. Nice little unit. Looks nice. The color matches the car pretty well. It comes with these caps as well for like an OEM plus look to it, but really excited about this mod. One thing I will say, right? I'm not here to tell you if a strut bar is worth it or not for your Elantra N. To be honest, some people say that with modern cars, strut bars really aren't needed, and some people otherwise, right? One thing I will say is even today, BMW's M Division still uses a strut bar on their M series cars, right? On the M3, things like that. So, I mean, I don't know, right? But I will say this, for me, on my Civic, I did see, I do think that there was a improvement in just the ability of the suspension to be able to perform to its maximum without the body flexing, and hopefully the strut bar may help in this situation. I will say though, with these modern Elantras, if you look, the strut tower is right here, and they literally tie it into the firewall, so that's going to make your strut tire immensely more stiff than factory, right? But even with that being said, Hyundai itself did add some strut tower stiffening to it. So that tells us there is some flex within the chassis, right? Even though it's much stiffer than a car of the early 2000s, right? You know, another unibody car. Either way though, we're going to be installing this thing right quick. I think it's going to look sick in the engine bay. And my thinking is, being the fact I'm doing a bunch of suspension mods, I'm adding more camber, I'm adding caster adjustment, just little things I'm doing to the suspension, brake upgrade, stuff like that. I think that anything that's going to tie in the left and right suspension to make them work more as one in unison will be something that could be a benefit on this platform, and that's why I went with this Evilla Motorsports strut bar. I'm gonna have this linked in the description where you can buy it. It is $165 with the caps, without shipping, and it's a nice unit. If you look, it is handmade. The welding looks solid, and we're gonna see just how the fitment is in a moment. So what you need to install this, pretty simple. You get a 14mm wrench or socket, and you're going to move the inner two bolts that are closest to the engine on both sides. So 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. So I'll knock that out, then we'll go ahead and get this thing placed down right here. Okay, so we got those bolts off. So literally all we're going to do is drop the strut bar on top. Let's see, how is the fitment? All right. Yeah. It's literally got to put the bolts.
This is the engine?
Yeah, that's the engine. Literally got to put the nuts on, and then we are done. So I'm going to get those reinstalled. I'm going to put these caps on. Strut bar is officially on. Unfortunately, these little caps, they don't seem to want to stay in. They just keep popping out. So I'm not going to even bother to install them. Toss those right there. But strut bar officially on. Not too in your face. I saw some of the other options for the Elantra, and they were very much in your face, very tunerish, and I did not want that. So this fits the bill perfectly for me because I like to keep it sedate. You know what I mean? If you didn't know better, you might not even notice that it's there. And let's see how she closes. All right. No issues at all. So yeah, it is installed. So this may be the end of the video. I'm not sure yet, or I might come back with a little bit more, but pretty much that's the strut bar install. Check out Evilla Motorsports if you want to pick up one for your car, but overall, take it easy, and I may or may not be out. Guess we'll see.
Yeah.